Make the best pumpkin pie possible. Today I'm using pumpkin puree. It's a brand called E.D. Smith. I like it, I use it. It's quick, it's easy. Oh, hi E.D. Smith. I'm Uncle Drew. I bake. I can move these aside because I've already measured them out and up the can. I could have had that done already. Ow! KitchenAid, if you're watching, I could also use a new can opener, maybe a food processor. My cutting board's split in half too. This is what you have. It can go a lot further than what you think. Oh, it's an arm workout. I'm supposed to impress everyone at this point and do the one-handed crack into the bowl. Okay, fine. We could do that. Let's get to it. I want to go take a nap. It's close to nap time for me. Middle of the afternoon. Uncle Drew needs a nap. I'm an old man now. Let's go. 1. Did I really just do that? Oh, everything's falling. There, I saved it. That's good for a blooper reel, but I can't believe I just did that. I'll probably leave it in there too. We all make mistakes, just who's willing to show them. This guy right here. It wasn't a great crack, but there were no shells, so that's mission accomplished, okay? There we go. Whew. We're back. I was doubting my ability there for a second. Okay. Good. That's 2. I've made 2 mistakes here. Back to our regularly scheduled baking program. Fluffy brown sugar. Pumpkin spice, allspice, nutmeg. A pinch of salt, not a punch. Let's set that down for a second. My pumpkin puree from E.D. Smith. Again, let me introduce myself, E.D. Smith. I'm Uncle Drew, and I bake. Da-da-da. You might be thinking, I should have just gone to the grocery store and bought one there. Never give up. Never give in. Bake like a champion. Now, I could have used a bigger bowl, but that would have made things easier. If you're watching your blender, don't look up at the camera. Heavy cream. Finish it off. Turn that speed up a little bit. Again, using a bigger bowl would be much more advisable. Starting to make a little bit of a mess, but you know what? My kitchen doesn't bother me. I'm only one here though, so I'm gonna have to do all the cleaning. Excellent. Fantastic. I'm gonna have a lot of pie. Oh boy. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do here. I have one of my mom's Tupperwares. Don't tell her. She loves her Tupperware, and I have one. Ma, if you're watching, I have it. So in it goes. Square that off, and I'm gonna set that aside. Put the rest in my mom's Tupperware. I may make some pumpkin pie tarts. Some would say this is the most important step. No, it's not. Bake like a champion. You can do this. Now, we don't want to fill it right to the top of the pie crust because this is going to bubble up. Oof, looks like we just put in the right amount of pie filling as it bubbled up. So this has got to be clean. Let's see. Almost. A few more minutes. See if we did it right. Oh, beautiful. This tart is I used a few of the leftovers from the pie crust. Check it out. Nice. Oh yeah. Boom! The crust is so flaky and buttery. I mean, look. Gotta bake these right away. You have plenty of time before Thanksgiving. Look,